In this video, I will talk about transporter assignments in Ongoing. We see here in my order list, I already have a transporter assigned to all of these orders called Neutral Carrier Service for my goods owner here called E-commerce Nordics. We are going to set up rules for automatically assigning a transporter to new orders. This would be something that you typically set up already when starting with Ongoing together with the onboarding team here at Ongoing. But I'll show you how to do it. And remember, this will apply for new orders only. And in this demo, I'll create orders manually in Ongoing. But you would also typically do this via an integration to a web shop or an ERP system, and these orders coming in from those systems would automatically get the transporter that we will set up rules for, or orders that are imported via Excel. All right, we go to registers, and here we have the section automation and transporter assignment. And remember that you may want to import your transport agreements first. I've already done that, so I won't show you, but here we go. This is the page where you can set up these rules. All right, so note there for the current goods owner, the settings will apply when an order is created and closed manually. This is what I will do. Imported via Excel. If a transporter is not already specified in the Excel file, or via an integration. This is the most common scenario. And note that you can copy these rules from between goods owners. You can also test it for orders that you already have. All right, I'm going to start with my first rule. And for this rule, we're gonna, for the total order weight, we're going to choose, depending on the weight, this one PostNord varubrev can carry up to 2 kilos. So we're going to put any order that has weight between 0 and 2 kilos to go for this one. So I'm going to set the priority of 100 on that. And the next rule, I'm going to set priority 200, and then the third rule, priority 300. And remember, Ongoing will always choose the rule or the setting with the lowest value on priority. So it's good to leave some space in between so that if you come up with new rules, you can place them where you want. Okay, so I'm going to put 0 and order weight 2 is going from and to 2 kilos. This is all that we're going to bother about, as well as also choosing country. So we're going to choose that for Sweden. So we find Sweden here in the list, click search, and then we move that to the side, and then we click the filter button. Now I have Sweden selected here. Also, if you want to see more what you could filter or set transporter assignment rules from, you click this button, show all fields. But as I said, we're just going to bother about the weight. All right, I'm going to click create, and then I'm going to create the new rule. So we put priority 200 here, and PostNord My Pack Collect can carry packages up to 20 kilos. So I'm going to put order weight from 2 kilos up to 20 kilos. And I'm going to again choose Sweden only. And click create. Now, if a package would have the exact weight of, or on order, exact weight of 2 kilos, it would obviously be this first rule that would be chosen because it has priority 100. And now we're going to create the third rule, and let's put priority 300 on that, and let's put PostNord pallet. So anything order weight from 20 and yeah, let's put to 500 kilos or something like that. And let's put Sweden. Again, move that and click filter. And then let's click create. And now we're going to create 3 orders and see that they will fall in here on the different, or get the different transporters that I've set in my rules. So we go to order, create order. Let's choose the first customer here, order number 1. Let's click create. And let's choose 1 pair of shorts here. And then let's click create. And you see here that we get this one, PostNord varubrev. Let's create another order for the second customer, order number 2. Click create, and then let's put in 40 of these. Close the order, and here we have PostNord My Pack Collect. And you may notice that we have weight 0 here. This is because, I mean, we've already calculated the total weight of the order based on what's on the article, but our ongoing doesn't calculate the weight specified here until we allocate the order. Let's not dwell into that. Let's create the third order for this one and order number 3. And let's put a really big number here, 500. Let's close that order and we'll see that we have a PostNord pallet. We happen to not have enough goods here, but that doesn't really matter. And let's just so that you see that if we put in an order that does not fall into any of these categories that we've created, you'll see that it won't get the transporter at all. So if we create an order for a Danish customer, so let's call that Danish customer, address, let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then Copenhagen. And here is, if we choose Denmark here, click create, and now let's have order number 4, and the Danish customer is going to order one of these. And when it's closed, we don't get a transporter assigned there because yeah, simply won't, this order did not fall into any of those categories because we have specified the country being Sweden on all of these. So that's a small example on how you can work with transporter assignments in Ongoing. Thank you very much.